How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to Serene Madness. Today's vape is Huckleberry Dream. It is, oops, keep getting messages. Stop posting. Huckleberry Dream is huckleberries flavor and cream. It's huckleberries and cream. It's pretty good. Welcome to the latest edition of Grubb'in with Madness. I'm flying solo tonight. It's just kind of one of those nights. Decided to get some sushi, and I figured I'd try UNI because I haven't had it yet. I've been wanting to try it for a while, and I finally had a little extra cash, so I bought some. UNI is AKA sea urchin, so it's all good. So I'm going to try it in a second. It is right there. I got a California roll. That's all 6 pieces of green right there, and the rice. And the uni is that lovely, lovely orange stuff right there. And I'm gonna try that. Grab the chunk of uni. Oh, it's kind of gooey. Yummy. So, where am I here? Got the camera reversed. Here's the uni. Orange goo. Uni, the meat of the sea urchin. So, we're going in. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. I have tried uni. Not liking it. It's a textural thing. It's very gelatinous, very gooey, very creamy, and very, very fishy. The uni, along with the seaweed that's on it, is just really, really kind of fishy. So, got rice in my teeth. So I tried it. Can add that one to the list. Uni. Not something I'd do again. So, on your Serene and Mad World, like the video, share it, thumb it up, please comment, don't forget to subscribe. On your Serene and Mad World, I'm out.
I just fucking shot myself.